Welcome to our video on how to prevent microphone access on Discord for Android devices. If you want to protect your privacy and prevent Discord from accessing your microphone, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer, or by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Discord application in the list of installed apps. Once you've found Discord, tap on it to open the app settings. From the app settings, tap on Permissions. Here you'll see a list of permissions that Discord has access to on your device. To prevent Discord from accessing your microphone, simply tap on the microphone permission and select Don't Allow. This will revoke Discord's access to your microphone and prevent the app from using it without your permission. And that's it. You've successfully prevented Discord from accessing your microphone on your Android device. Now you can chat and game on Discord knowing that your privacy is protected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.